Uploading your project on GitHub from Android Studio is very simple. You just need to follow the video step-by-step guideline. Android Studio is an IDE by Google that help you to build a native Android application, even with Flutter, React Native, and a lot of stuff. This video tells you how you can upload a Flutter project on GitHub within our studio. Go to the VCS panel. You can see on the top of the screen of your Android Studio IDE. Here a pop-up will arise like following. You can see the select Git from the drop-down menu, then click on OK. Now the next step is to click on the green tick present in the upper part of the Android Studio. The symbol refers to commit and what it does, like commits unversioned files. Now after clicking them, you have to write a commit message. You can write it initial commit and then you can continue on it. After that, your project is ready to upload on GitHub. The last step is to go to the VS and select import version or control, then click on share project on GitHub. So this is how the entire thing will happen. You can now log in and go to your password for better uploading of your Android project, and I'll see you in the next one.